Hi, I'm Tony.
Hi, I'm Jackie,
I'm the inventor of the Comfort Toes bedding system.
and I'm his biggest fan.
Yes, she is. And together, we're going to show you how quick and easy it is to make your bed for the first time.
When you receive your Comfort Toes bedding system, you'll find 3 main component bags. 4 if you also ordered a mid-layer. Begin by opening the bag labeled Step 1. It may be helpful to refer to the printed step-by-step directions for easier installation. First, unfold the bundle to the right, then to the left until it is fully draped at the foot end of the bed, and pull the end straight down. Make sure the logo as well as the hook and loop strip are facing up and the button locks are attached for your preferred height. The end of the hook and loop fastener strip should be at the foot end of the bed, about on the corner. Finish unfolding the base sheet towards the head of the bed. You can tuck it in now or after the installation of the top sheet. Installing the base sheet correctly is crucial to fully enjoy the benefits of the Comfort Toes bedding system. Attach the button locks. The pain relief pocket is adjustable over a 7.5-inch range, allowing you to customize the system to suit your needs. Position the button locks closer to the foot of the bed for a taller reach, or closer to the top of the strip for a shorter reach. With a little experimentation, you'll find the placement that feels most comfortable for you. The lines on the strips act as guides, helping you align the button locks evenly across each one. Next, remove the top sheet from the package labeled Step 2 and place it at the foot of the bed. Just like the base sheet, unfold this one to the right and then to the left until it is fully draped over the bed's foot end. Unfold one section down toward the foot of the bed, then unfold the rest up towards the head of the bed. Slide the sheet left or right to align the buttonholes with the barrel buttons. Now, button the top sheet to the base sheet. Remember, your set may have 4 or 5 buttons depending on your bed size. Here's a tip. With one hand under the sheet, tilt the barrel button upward and guide it through the hole to make it slide in smoothly. Once the top sheet is secured, you can smooth it out and tuck it in now, or wait until you've added the comforter. You may notice the hinges sewn into the top sheet, mid-layer, and comforter. These hinges help the pocket lay flat when the bed is made, and also to lift the pocket so that you have minimal weight on your toes while sleeping. If you purchased a mid-layer, remove it from the package labeled Step 3. Otherwise, proceed with the comforter in the package labeled Step 4. Place the comforter at the foot of the bed and unfold as you did the top sheet. First to the right and then to the left, ensuring it is draped evenly across the mattress. Now, unfold the comforter up towards the head of the bed, roughly aligning the barrel button holes as you go. Fasten the buttons to finish this step. Finish unfolding the comforter up towards the head of the bed, smoothing it as you go. For a cleaner look, I recommend tucking in the top sheet and the comforter at the foot of the bed. Either way, this will not affect the pain relief pocket, whether you choose to tuck them in or not. Finally, place your pillows and enjoy the relief that the patent-pending Comfort Toes bedding system provides. Be sure to check out our other video, How to Make Your Bed in the Morning, to see how quick and easy it will be to make your bed when you get up tomorrow.